The RS-Q8 will get a stylistic upgrade in 2025 to match the Q8 and SQ8 models. The pricing of the 2025 Audi RS-Q8 is anticipated to range from $145,000 to $160,000, depending on specification and options. The RS-Q8's 5-seat cabin is basically identical to the Q8, with the exception of some distinctive trim pieces and sportier, more forcefully bolstered front seats to keep you in place while cornering. The passenger and baggage space remain unchanged from the basic Q8, ensuring ample legroom and headroom for adults in both rows of seats. In our tests, the Q8 held 8 carry-on bags behind the back seat, and 23 with the back seat folded. The RS-Q8 features many of the same features as the Q8, including a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS, Sirius XM satellite radio, and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The standard 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine of the RS-Q8 generates 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, whereas the SQ8's engine only produces 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet. The RS-Q8's engine pairs to quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a 48-volt hybrid system operates in the background to improve fuel efficiency. The performance trim increases power to 631 horsepower and has a self-locking center differential as well as an electromechanical active roll stabilization system that employs electric motors to enhance roll stiffness to the suspension system as needed during intense cornering. The EPA rates the RS-Q8's fuel economy at 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. When we tested the RS-Q8, it took just 3.2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, beating the $100 grand more expensive Urus by just 0.1 seconds.